It's a sunny morning and Chimpu is going to buy fresh vegetables.
Where are you going with that empty basket?
It's just a basket, Chirpy. What is empty, Chirpy?
What do you have in your basket?
Nothing.
So, when there is nothing in the basket, it is empty.